prototype of my project. For the prototype, I have designed the front door of the house. The burglar alarm will be installed from the inside of the house. This is the magnetic door sensor. The sensor will detect whether the door is open or closed. In this box, we have the circuit that has been constructed on the breadboard and also the VMOS D1. This box will be a control box for the burglar alarm. The green LED will light up when the power supply is connected to the burglar alarm. The green LED will be an indicator for the user to inform whether the alarm is connected with the power supply or not. From the Blink application, we can know the status of our door. Right now, as you can see, the door is closed. So the door status that state in the Blink application, door closed. When we open the door status on the Blink application will be changed to door open. On the Blink application, we also have a switch to control the burglar alarm whether we want to turn on or turn off the alarm. When we turn on the alarm, the red LED will light up. The red LED will be an indicator for the user whether the burglar alarm is on or off. When a burglar is trying to break into the house, the sensor will detect the door open and the alarm will be triggered. The user also will get a notification on the Blink application when the burglar alarm is triggered. This notification will make the user alert that your house is being broken in by a burglar.
Wow!